In this video I share my MultiversX price prediction for 2024 with long and short-term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for MultiversX to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. As you can see, MultiversX is on place 54 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $1.4 billion. The coin is existent since 2020 and we saw the all-time high in 2021. And after we reached the all-time high, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels. We continued all the way down to this demand zone, where we started this bullish explosion in 2021. And after we came into this demand zone, we found some support. Then we started this bullish explosion and we also broke over this last supply zone. So this was the first really bullish sign for MultiversX. And this supply zone was technically strong, because from the supply zone we saw this move to lower levels, and now we broke out of the supply zone with a weekly body close, which is a very bullish sign. But after that we saw this wick right here and move to the downside. So now we are in a retracement, but we are still in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs. So the chance is there that we now can continue to the upside and go to even higher prices. And I think MultiversX is a very nice project with very nice fundamentals. And from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have a potential of 1000%. And I think this is an amazing potential for a big coin like MultiversX. And if we now can continue this bullish move to the upside, then the first really interesting price target is this high right here. Because this high right here was the beginning of this massive move to lower levels. And often over important highs there's much liquidity, so the chance that we are reaching this kind of goal is very high. And often over important highs the chance is high that we also see a larger pullback because many people are taking their profits. And if we then can continue this bullish move to the upside and find acceptance over this highs, then the next really interesting price target is this high right here. But if we are also surpassing this high right here, then the last really interesting price target is of course the all-time high. And the best coins in the bull run are also exploding over their last all-time high. And I think MultiversX has the potential to also move over its last all-time high. And for calculating a potential price target, we are using the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And then we are getting this kind of price targets for the next bull run. And if we have a look at the 3.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $1,915. And I think MultiversX has the potential to reach this kind of highs, but I'm not sure if we are reaching it this bull run or in the bull run after that. If we take the more conservative price target of 1.618 Fibonacci, we would have a price target of $868, and I think this is way more realistic for the next bull run. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have a potential of 1400%. And I think this is an amazing deal for MultiversX. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation for the next bull run from the prices right now. But also from the market cap right now, we have a lot of potential to the upside. We also have 84% circulating supply, which is a very good sign. And in the bull run, we had a market cap of $9 billion. So I think this kind of price targets are very realistic for the next bull run. Of course, the potential could be even higher. But for this, much money has to flow into MultiversX and of course in the whole crypto market cap. And here we are seeing the chart of the total crypto market cap. And we are also seeing this bullish momentum, which is a really good sign. And if we're reaching this kind of price targets, and if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, then the chance is also high that we can explode over our last all-time high at the total crypto market cap. And if more money comes into the crypto market, the chance that also money comes into good coins like MultiversX is very high. So we look for potential price targets for the next bull run, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for MultiversX. And as I said, these prices are already a great chance also technically, because we are clearly in a bullish trend. We also broke this supply zone to the upside. We now saw this retracement right here, but getting support in this area. So the chance is high that we took some liquidity under this lows and built here a higher low. And the chance is high that we now can continue to the upside again. Of course, if the whole crypto market is also going to the upside. But if we are seeing lower prices again for MultiversX, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because this demand zone right here was the beginning of this massive push to the upside. So if we come back into this demand zone, and if you're not breaking into the downside and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a great buy area for MultiversX for the long term. And of course, if we see even lower prices, then the potential to the upside to make even more gains on MultiversX is very high. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like elrond, then join my free Telegram group. You will find a link in the description. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2024 for MultiversX. If you want to see my veracity price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.